Ka. Game, Marimar. Marimar. Gusto si Marimar. Marimar. Wow, galing ah. Oh, isa pa, dali.
They all decided na hindi nila kayang gawin yun kasi masyadong nag-access speaker. So he explained to us that he was concerned about
Dali oh. Marimar. Marimar. Marimar.
to me.
Wow, umarap ka rito, mabilis. Marimar. Ako po si Marimar. Lumaki sa tabing dagat. Puro ako kagat ng aso. Hey, Marimar. Marimar. Oh, magsayaw ka rito. Sa harap. Oh, okay. Galing, oh. Ang galing magmarimar nito. Oh, harap dito.
I thought for the cancellation of the
Marap ka rito.
okay.
Oh.
You know, that was
Marimar. Ah, sige.
that whole group. So that's
Ang galing, ha? Paano si Marimar? Marimar. Oh, game. Game, sige. Where's the bindagat?
Regarding an alleged plot to only drug in people's mind can
Ang galing ah!
go to this level.
Marimar ah!
Wala ron si Jota, pero ipinabasa niya ang kanyang pahayag kay LTFRB Chairman Thomson Lanchon.
Quote here to claim Joey De Venecia is completely ridiculous and another very case. He is not only a source user but also a peddler of
Oh, teka.
Pinag-iisipan pa ni